Hi everyone, it's Charlie Pegan from the Belmont Data Collaborative showing you RoundTable and how to use resources with this tool. So as you can see, we have selected housing infrastructure, median home price, and in previous videos I showed you how to compare data, how to download data, and you can see all of it on here. But what I also want to show you is what is new for us in this tool, and as we continue to build it out and add to it. But in the beginning, we've got it started, and that's resources. So resources allows us to look at the polygons on the screen and then place pins for different resources. So you think of a resource, it could be a clinic, it could be a testing center, it also could be healthy food choices, trails, parks, you name it, hospitals, schools, all things that we feel are important as pins on this map. And as we continue to hone this in, expect to see those icons change and represent even easier than just a color. But this should give you a little bit of an idea of where we're going with this. The idea of seeing your community, being able to see the demographic or the lay of the land first as polygons, either a zip code or US Census tract. And then second, see pins on that map that shows you the resources. So what does our community look like? And what resources are available? Lastly, you will see that as we start adding things, you will see some filters here. And so if I go ahead and select the blood pressure monitoring locations that we've already added, those are now the only thing that you see here. So as we start adding additional resources, we'll have additional filters as we go. So you should be able to go to RoundTable, and we hope you're able to use it by selecting a topic and an indicator and play around, have some fun. And then as we get going, you can compare data, you can download, and then also look at the resources that we have available to you, and use this as a way, as a catalyst for seeing things about our community, opening your eyes with the data, but most importantly, using this hopefully to infuse action and solutions directly at the community level.